I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. Did you not recognize me? Did you mistake me for Shakira from the Whenever, Wherever video? That is because I would like to thank today's video sponsor, and that is Irresistible Me hair extensions. Back when I was just a wee infant YouTuber, I used to watch beauty gurus like Tati and Crispy doing reviews or hair tutorials on this hair company, Irresistible Me, and when they reached out to me, I was like, I've made it! I felt so honored. I did an Instagram post with the hair extensions in, and I knew I was going to do a video with them in, so we went for this kind of really big, curly, voluminous sort of Shakira look. Listen, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a pro at it. I'm not a pro at actually styling the extensions. There are so many tips on their website how to style them. There's so many videos of how to style them, curl them before hanging up, let them cool, do this, clip them here, clip them there. I'm not a pro, okay? All I can tell you is don't be gangster with a curling iron, because I basically got third-degree burns, but they curl so beautifully, they sit in so comfortably. There's nothing worse than hair extensions that are just half hanging in and you don't want to brush them or tug on them because they're gonna fall out or someone's gonna see it. The worst. And trust me, I have been through hair care, girl. If you followed me for years, I had short hair. I had a bob, like the Victoria Beckham bob, and then I wanted long hair, so I went and got sew-ins, like, and then changed it again, then cut it off. Trust me, hair hell. So I know a thing or two about what you want to get out of hair extensions, especially clip-ins. And for me, it's being solid, and that is what Irresistible Me do. Ding! I'm gonna leave the links below to their website, Irresistible Me hair extensions. I will leave the links to this actual hair, but obviously it's balayage because I currently have balayage, but once again, the best hair I've ever had. And lots of people couldn't believe that because they're like, oh, isn't it drying? Some of my speakers were saying, I want balayage, but it's really drying. For me, when I have my dark brown, almost black hair, it goes everywhere. I sweat, it goes all over my linen. It's just not the vibe. So to be able to have balayage and then find clip-in extensions that work with it and blend beautifully. Like, look at this. It's so beautiful. It is such a great color match. Getting into it, we have a double unboxing today from the one and only Louis Vuitton. I am getting flooded with DMs from you guys. Honestly, flooded about, you know, different types of bags that are just, you cannot get your hands on it. And it's not about limitation, okay? Or it's not about, you know, this is being discontinued, I can't find it or whatever. It's literally like back order. For example, point blank period, the amount of DMs I have, they are on back order in my country, I can't get them, it's not in stock, they're sending it from another country, I can't find it online, and I can't find it, you know, anywhere I'm looking in boutiques. My number one tip, okay, that I will tell you about Louis Vuitton is that having an SA, having a sales associate in the boutique is key, okay? Pro tip, get a sales associate. And the way you do that is simply by going in the boutique, you know, hi, how are you going? My name's Joanna. Oh, hi, my name's Polly. I'm a sales associate on the floor here. Hi, Polly, I'm looking for a zippy coin purse. Oh, awesome. Okay, we don't have any in stock right now, but I'm going to put your name down. Here's my card. Give me your details and I'll let you know when one comes in stock. Ding! Thank you, Polly. And that is how you create just a relationship. They're wanting to help you find items. They want to sell their brand, obviously. And this isn't just Louis Vuitton. It's Chanel, it's Saint Laurent, it's everywhere. But having that customer care is what they want. It's not just like, oh, buy it online and if it's in stock you can grab it. If they're having limitations, high COVID, which everyone in the world is, then they're gonna really need to put you on some sort of like list. So that would be definitely a pro tip for sure. So I went in, I was in there, I vlogged, I will pop it here. I had an exchange, a part exchange, an exchange and a credit, and I always buy something else. It's just the way I am. I'm never like, I want it back. I'm always just like, let's buy more. This is the first piece. If you watched that vlog, you may have seen me try this on. I really, let's say, went outside my comfort zone, I suppose, with something like this, just because of the sheer size of it. Here we go, Louis Vuitton dust bag, and I picked up the little, and by little I mean little, empreinte leather in the red, and it's like got a glitters through it. It is like the empreinte embossed LV logo fleur-de-lis, and it's a heart. I'm guessing it's the Moncur probably line, but in the little like pochette crossbody bag. Oh, so cute. You have the hardware on the side, beautiful, beautiful zipper, and obviously it's a heart shape, so your space is going to be very limited. It's got a beautiful micro suede lining in the light pink, and it's got Louis Vuitton made in Italy. It comes with it beautiful, beautiful. Look at this chain. It is so, look at it, sparkling, and it has 2 clips on either side with LV embossed in it, and you can clip it, and it essentially is like, you know, a pochette on chain type thing. As you can see, I really went out of my comfort zone, you know, just with that sort of like, yes, I have this heart bag, but that's not what I mean. I mean that sort of like cutesy, tiny, crossbody little ding moment, very much more like Lindy's style. If you don't follow Lindy, you should. She is a pink fanatic, and I'm pretty sure if this came in like a light pink, she'd be all over it. But, you know, again, very different for me. I wasn't sure, and I said to Lucia, I'm not sure. She said, think about it, see what you think. It is outside your comfort zone, but just let me know. But it is really gorgeous, obviously. Beautiful, well-made piece with the piping and just the class. Everything, the detail is so gorgeous. Last one, finishing up in this drawer box. See what I mean? I just kind of, I even have leftover credits. 2 of them, I'm pretty sure. So, as I was saying, in this drawer box is, guess what? I have absolutely no idea. Will and I are now talking about power of attorney because I have lost my mind. I am forgetting everything. It would not surprise me if I forget my children's names. See that? I just looked at it and I remembered this. Oh yeah, this was good if you watch that vlog. And actually, everybody mentioned in that vlog, everybody mentioned how it was so crazy that when Lucia pulled this out, I was like, ah! And then another lady was like, oh, is she gonna take that because I want it? And I felt so bad that I was like, oh, just give it to her. I feel horrible. Look at this, guys. It is the mini pochette in the new edition in the vernis amaranth with the piped monogram on the sides. And listen, for the hunt of a mini pochette at the moment, which it's basically become like the pochette accessoire. Like I have no idea. This stuff is becoming so limited, which is crazy. This comes in this amaranth, which is like the burnt kind of raisin color, the raisin, dark raisin, in the embossed vernis leather, and it comes in a rose gold. I'm going to link to as many as I can find below. Honestly, it is stunning. It is breathtaking in person, and it just made me miss vernis when Lucia pulled it out and I had seen it online before. It just made me be like, oh my god, I miss vernis, like old school vernis, like Alma BB, things like that. So here is the little QR code SKU. Here is the dust cloth for fingerprints with vernis, and inside it's just, as you can see, the cotton drill lining with the Louis Vuitton stamp on the back, made in France. It is so stunning. and the lady really wanted it, and I was like, oh no, maybe you should give it to her. Lucia's like, no, you had it first. I was just kind of like, oh, maybe I don't need it. There is the bottom. It is just plain vernis, and then you have your sides. And then there's your monogram and your piping in monogram, if you can see. Okay, that is it, guys. That brings me to the end of this video, this double unboxing from Louis Vuitton. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to today's video sponsor, Irresistible Me Hair Extensions. Again, cannot believe it. Watched them when I was just a baby YouTuber in awe. Beautiful, beautiful quality hair extensions. Please check out their website below. If you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, guys. Giving us thumbs up on YouTube is so important now. It just shows them that we are in good standing and you like our content. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, there is a button below. I would super, super appreciate that, guys. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.